This is the Purifighter Gaiya, a mobile reverse osmosis water purification system built for van life, camping, and off-grid use. And before we even power it on, it's worth understanding what sets it apart from the filters most people are used to seeing on the trail. In the box, the Gaiya unit itself, the source and pure water tanks, the original power cord, pre-installed filter elements, tubing and accessories, and the instruction manual. Notice there's no separate travel bag included. That's sold separately if you want one for transport. The housing is stainless steel, not plastic, which matters for two reasons. Hygiene, since stainless steel doesn't harbor bacteria the way porous plastics can over time, and durability for a device that's going to get thrown in a van or a trunk repeatedly. At 19 pounds and roughly 17 by 8.5 by 13 inches, it's compact, but this is not the same category of device as a gravity-fed camping filter or a hollow fiber straw filter. Setup is tool-free. The source tank and the pure water tank simply lock into place on either side of the unit. No fixed installation, no plumbing modifications required. Power is where this system really shows its flexibility. You've got three options: standard 110 volts AC for home or campsite hookups, or 12 volts/24 volts DC for direct vehicle or power bank operation. That dual capability is what actually makes mobile RO possible. Most residential reverse osmosis systems assume constant mains power and consistent municipal water pressure, neither of which you have in a van or at a campsite. To solve the pressure problem, Purifighter built in an integrated booster pump. Residential RO systems typically rely on your home's line pressure, usually 40 to 80 psi, to push water through the membrane. Off-grid, you don't have that guarantee, so the booster pump compensates, and the system is rated to operate down to 0.5 bar of incoming pressure. Now let's actually filter some water. I'm using tap water for this demo, but the Gaiya is rated to handle river or lake water as well, which is really the use case it's designed around. The source tank holds 3 liters, the pure water tank holds 1.5 liters, and the system fills at 1,250 milliliters per minute. Purifighter rates continuous daily output at 380 liters. Worth noting that figure, like most manufacturer daily output ratings in the water filtration industry, reflects optimal conditions: stable temperature, adequate incoming pressure, and a fresh membrane. Real-world output will vary with water temperature and source quality. Most portable filters on the market, the ones using hollow fiber or carbon block technology, are excellent at removing bacteria, protozoa, and sediment. But they don't remove dissolved solids, things like heavy metals, salts, or dissolved chemical contaminants. The Gaiya uses true reverse osmosis with a 100 gallons per day Dow FilmTec membrane made in the USA. The same membrane technology used in high-end residential RO systems. That's a meaningfully different filtration tier. What's actually happening inside is a two-stage process. A pack, a pre-filter, that captures sediment, chlorine, and larger particulates before the water ever reaches the membrane, protecting it from premature fouling. Then the water is forced through that 100 gallons per day RO membrane, which rejects dissolved solids down to a molecular level. Recommended replacement is every 6 months for the pack filter and every 12 months for the RO membrane. Intervals that are actually in line with, or longer than, what you'd see on many residential RO setups, despite this being a fraction of the size. Control is through this touchscreen: real-time temperature display, filtration status, and parental control. Filter changes are designed to take under 5 seconds, which matters because unlike a fixed home installation, you don't want to be disassembling plumbing every time a filter needs swapping in the middle of a trip. One important spec to flag here: this unit operates between 5 and 38 degrees Celsius. Below that, there's a real risk of frost damaging the membrane. That's not unique to Gaiya. Thin film composite RO membranes across the industry are frost sensitive. But if you're planning cold weather camping, that's a limitation worth knowing before you rely on it. Once filtration completes, dispensing is straightforward. Mug under the spout, and you've got clean, purified water on demand. Now let's test the built-in heating function. Rated up to 85 degrees Celsius, powered by a 1,900 watt heating element. That's hot enough for coffee, tea, or prepping baby formula on the road. One important detail: this only works on mains AC power, not on the 12-volt or 24-volt vehicle connection. And the reason is simple math. 1,900 watts at 12 volts would demand over 150 amps of current, which is far beyond what a standard vehicle electrical system is built to handle. So Purifighter disables it on DC power by design, not as a limitation, but as a safety decision. And that's the Purifighter Gaiya, start to finish, from tap water to filtered and optionally heated drinking water in one self-contained mobile unit.